While you were busy watching Dhurandhar, Claude just replaced humans completely. Hi everyone, I'm Ishan Sharma, and the biggest update from Claude is Cowork, and you will not believe what it can do today. In this video, I'll show you what Claude Cowork is, how it works, and what can you build with it. Cowork isn't a chatbot. It has access to your entire desktop and can perform actions on your behalf and get things done in minutes, what would otherwise take hours of your own time. And if you do something every single day repeatedly, you can now schedule tasks and let it do all of the work on your behalf. Also, the latest update of Claude Cowork, which is Dispatch. Using Dispatch on Claude Cowork, you can use your phone to control your entire desktop. That is the power of Claude Cowork. I'll share everything that you need to know about it in this video. Watch till the end and let's get into it. Think of Cowork as an assistant that you can delegate tasks to, and it just executes all of that on your behalf. So you simply need to download the Claude app on your desktop, and once you have logged into it and bought the Pro membership, this is what you will see. So I'm not talking about the chat window. You've already seen this before. You know how it works. Very similar to ChatGPT. I'm talking about Cowork. Cowork lets you control the entire desktop by simply prompting. So let's take an example of what you can do with it. I have a folder on my desktop called My Finances, and it has a lot of statements and investments. Now I want to have a visual understanding of my investments and my savings. So I'm going to ask Cowork to turn those Excel files into a PPT document that I can view and understand how am I doing financially. So this is my prompt, and I'm saying that go to this folder and analyze all the files and visualize my investments, my earnings, and my savings, and tell me how can I improve. And I will go on to over here, choose a different folder, and I can give it access to this folder right here. And now I can click on Let's Go, and it will now be able to analyze all the files in that particular folder. And it has already started working, analyzing all the files and coming up with insights and creating that PPT for us. I'm already impressed by how quick it is at executing everything. Just look at the progress. It looked at all the investments, it is analyzing all the spending, generating the financial insights, and now creating the PowerPoint presentation. And while it is working, you can even queue tasks like this. So once that previous task is executed, it will start working on this one. And it is done. It took about 5 minutes, but I have this entire financial health report. I can scroll and I can look at all of my income sources, my spending breakdown, my monthly cash flows, my investment portfolios, tax payments, the financial insights, where can I improve and what are my strengths. And then I can get a recommended action plan. Now this is also saved in the same folder. This is not just a preview. This is the actual PPTX file, which I can open up over here and read everything that I want to. That is honestly insane. It did all of this in about 5 minutes just by controlling my desktop. And now let me show you the craziest part about Claude Cowork, and that is Dispatch. They just launched this feature. Basically, you can use your phone, you can give prompts to Claude to control your desktop while you are away. You can basically ask it to access the web, do things on your behalf, create files, delete files, rearrange files for you. And let me show you what you can do with it. The easiest example of this is to rearrange files on your behalf while you are away. So I'm sure you would have a lot of files in your downloads folder, and it's very hard to reorganize them and you don't have the energy for that. Well, now you can basically go on to Dispatch on Claude and say, use Claude Cowork and rearrange my downloads folder on my Mac into the following categories: videos, pictures, documents, invoices, PPTs, and everything else should be categorized in the miscellaneous folder. Do this while I'm away and let me know once this is done. And that's it. I can just press on enter. And as you can see on my desktop, Claude Cowork is getting started with all the work. I'll organize your downloads folder into videos, pictures, documents, invoices, PPTs, and miscellaneous while you're away. I'll ping you when it's done. Let's actually go to my downloads folder and let's see what it is doing. I have to allow it to get access to the downloads folder, And once it does that, and in about 2 minutes, my entire downloads folder was arranged in front of me. Videos, pictures, documents, invoices, PPTs, miscellaneous, 7,000 files were moved and rearranged. This would have taken me hours and hours of time. And let's go back. Have a look at this. Look at the downloads folder before and look at what it is doing right now. This is honestly insane. I can basically open up my invoices, get all of my invoices at one place. I can go on to my PPTs, get all of my PPTs at one place. And this was done all autonomously by me just simply typing on my phone and letting Claude Cowork handle everything on my laptop. How crazy is that? And if you thought that was it, let me show you another example. So here I'm using Dispatch to basically ask Cowork to go onto my Gmail via Google Chrome, access this latest email from Whoop, which was about my data, my health data, analyze all of my health data by Whoop, and then turn it into a personal dashboard HTML website using Claude Code. Let's just see what it does right here. So it's gotten to work. It has started using my Mac, as you can see right here. On it, I'll open Chrome, pull up your Whoop email from Gmail today, extract all the health data and build your personal dashboard. I'm not doing anything. It's doing everything on its own. So it's going to search for the latest Whoop email. Okay, it found that email which was sent to me today itself. It's going to open it up. Oh, brilliant. It found that file. And now let's see what it does with it. And after about 15 minutes, it generated the entire dashboard for me. As you can see, Whoop dashboard is done and saved to your downloads folder, built 100% from real data. And here is my website. I can basically click on this and open this extensive report on all of my health data from Whoop. You can look at the goal, you can look at the recovery store, you can look at the HRV. All the details that I had about my health from Whoop is now visualized and shown in this single page app built for me completely autonomously by Claude Cowork by just typing on the Claude app on iPhone using the latest Dispatch update. Okay, next up, I'm sure you do a lot of tasks which you keep repeating every single day. Well, now you can automate and schedule all of them, all thanks to Claude Cowork. So I can basically go over here and I can type what I want. In this case, I wanted to open Twitter on Google Chrome, go to my feed, scroll and find high performing Twitter posts which are around AI news in the last 24 hours. I wanted to compile all of these Twitter posts and save it in my desktop and save it in the desktop folder and title it AI news.pdf. And I'm going to give it a working folder, which would be the desktop itself. I click on open, I'll allow it, and I'll basically ask it to let's go. Now Claude Cowork has access to your Chrome. And with that, it can open up websites and it can do tasks on your behalf. In this case, I wanted to go on to Twitter and find the best performing news that I can make reels about and compile all of that in a PDF document and save it on my desktop. Now, once it completes it, I can basically go over here and schedule. So when I click on schedule, I can set a time of the day in which I wanted to execute this task over and over again. So if I'm a creator and I want new reel scripts and ideas to talk about, I can basically create this scheduled task on Claude Cowork and I will have a PDF every morning full of the best performing posts that I can convert into Twitter, into reels and post them on my Instagram. Okay, let's actually see what it is doing. So it is on my Twitter, it has gone to AI news and it is scrolling and finding stuff which is worth covering. And as you can see, it's performing all of it on its own. I'm not using my laptop. I'm not doing anything on it. It's just performing tasks on itself. And that's the best part about it. And the work is completed. It went onto Twitter, found all the content, turned it into reel scripts and made this PDF. And it saved this PDF right here on my desktop. So I can open this up and I can get the entire PDF with links to these posts and reel scripts that I can quickly just shoot and get started. How cool is that? And this is not even the main part. You can now schedule this task. So you can schedule this. So every day 10 a.m., it will execute this on my behalf, and I basically now have a social media manager which will come up with the best ideas, a script writer which will take all of those ideas and make scripts and save it to me every day. This is literally the job of two people. Okay, and the daily news roundup schedule task is activated. I can basically click on schedule and it will run every day. As you can see, this is what the prompt it wrote for me, and I can just schedule it if I want it to happen. So at 10 a.m. every day, I'll get 7 to 8 reels with scripts and with links to the actual post. Another great example of using Dispatch is to get a summary of your emails on Gmail. The last 24-hour emails, get to know what is urgent, what needs reply, and what is spam. You can simply go onto the Claude app, go to Dispatch, and basically paste this prompt. Open Gmail on Google Chrome and review emails sent to me in the last 24 hours and tell me what's important, what needs an urgent response, and label promotions and newsletters as skip on Gmail. Get back to me with a summary here once it is done. And I'll press on enter. And now it will start executing this on my behalf. Now, I don't need to have access to my laptop. I could be outside on the beaches in a different country. And as long as my laptop is plugged in and is active, I can continue to operate it using Dispatch on Claude Cowork. I don't need to be on it all the time. And a new tab has been opened and it's going to analyze emails sent to me in the last 24 hours. It searched for the latest emails. So it's now adding a new label. As you can see, I'm not operating it. It's going to add a new label called skip on its own and start adding all the promotions on it. As you can see, this is actually pretty crazy. So we now have a new label called skip. Okay, it looks like I've hit my limit, but I'm sure that you've understood the power of Claude Cowork. Now there is one task that I want to give you. Ask Claude Cowork on Dispatch to go onto your MacBook and go to Final Cut Pro and start editing a video. Remove all the silences and then export the video, upload it on Google Drive, and then send that Google Drive link to you in the chat itself. And I want to see if it is able to do that. So tell me in the comments once you do that. And that was my video about Claude Cowork. We went in depth talking about what all it can do. We also touched upon scheduling tasks. And then at the end, we touched upon Dispatch and the power of it. The description will have a lot more applications, so have a look at that. And in the comments, tell me what will you use Claude Cowork for the most. That is all from me today. I will see you all in the next video.